So I went ahead and cut the rubber on these, as you can see that, on all four to give me more space on the tabs. But even that doesn't look like it helps much. So you gotta pretty much force it down. So let me put this up there again. Flip the camera. Since the magnet is on the opposite side. And then here. And let's see if I can record. And maybe with sound this sound, because I think I muted this sound earlier. So yeah, that's not gonna do it. This thing is fitting pretty tight. Except for mosquitoes. Yeah, I know I'm not going this round. Yeah, that's not right. Let's get it going here. So that's right. But even with the notches, you still gotta force it down. Which sucks, but that's what it is. Literally the worst design ever, but what do you know? Come on. I guess we'll start with this one. This one kind of lines up. There we go. That's better. best I can do. Thing's already warped, so that's not gonna do any better. Alright, that's pretty much it. Let's see. It's not over there. Still seals, but yeah, that thing is definitely whack. You can see I notched it there just to give it a little more space, but really doesn't do anything. Alright, I'm leaving that alone. Because I want to check the underside here for any issues with hoses. Because I've been hearing my idle go up a little bit. Sometimes. That's good. Good. Okay, I don't see it loose. It's in there. Down here. Not a single leak or drop of oil anymore. So that's good. Let's see here. Tight.